2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, AM/FM stereo radio, electronic stability control, trip computer, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, front reading lamps, trailer brake controller, tilt steering wheel, privacy glass, power equipment group, passenger vanity mirror, blind spot mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.